11 amazing WD-40 uses for your car. Save you thousands in repairs. You might think WD-40 is just for squeaky hinges, but did you know it can save you thousands on car repairs? This little can is a secret weapon for car owners, tackling everything from stubborn bird droppings and sticky tree sap to frozen fuel caps and corroded battery terminals. Got rusted bolts that won't budge? WD-40 can loosen them in seconds. Struggling with a flooded engine? It helps remove moisture fast. Even your foggy headlights and noisy windshield wipers can be restored with a quick spray. Check out these 13 brilliant WD-40 car hacks. Number 6 could save your engine when you least expect it. 1. Keeping hard to clean parts of your car. Keeping the hard-to-clean parts of your car spotless can be a challenge, but WD-40 makes it effortless. Over time, dirt, grease, and grime accumulate in areas like engine components, door hinges, wheel wells, and undercarriages, making your car look old and poorly maintained. Instead of scrubbing endlessly, simply spray WD-40 onto these stubborn areas. Its powerful formula breaks down tough grease, loosens stuck-on dirt, and even protects against future buildup. After spraying, wipe away the grime with a clean cloth or rinse with water for a fresh, like-new finish. Not only does WD-40 clean, but it also helps prevent rust and corrosion, keeping your car's essential parts in top shape for longer. So next time you're detailing your car, don't forget to give those tricky spots a quick WD-40 treatment. It's the ultimate hack for a cleaner, well-maintained ride. 2 removes bird dropping tar and tree sap. Bird droppings, tar, and tree sap can be a nightmare for your car's paint, leaving behind stubborn stains and even causing long-term damage if not removed quickly. Luckily, WD-40 makes the job easy. Simply spray a generous amount directly onto the affected area and let it sit for a minute or 2. The formula works to break down the sticky residue, making it easy to wipe away with a microfiber cloth. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, WD-40 is gentle on your car's paint while still being tough on grime. After wiping, give the area a quick wash with soap and water to remove any excess residue. With this simple trick, you can keep your car looking spotless and protect its finish from permanent stains. No scrubbing required. 3. Prevents your fuel tank cap from freezing in cold water. When winter's chill sets in, moisture can sneak into your fuel tank cap and freeze, causing a frustrating jam that's both inconvenient and potentially damaging. A quick spray of WD-40 creates a thin, protective barrier that repels water and prevents ice from forming around the cap and its seals. By coating the area, WD-40 ensures that any moisture has a hard time clinging on. So even on the coldest mornings, your cap remains easy to open and close without the risk of freezing solid. Not only does this simple step save you time and hassle, but it also reduces wear and tear on the cap's components, extending its life. In just seconds, you can transform your routine winter maintenance, ensuring smooth, reliable performance every time you refuel, even when temperatures plunge. 4. Prevents rust and corrosion. Rust and corrosion are a car owner's worst nightmare, slowly eating away at metal components and leading to costly repairs. The main culprits? Moisture, road salt, and humidity, which create the perfect conditions for rust to form, especially in hidden or frequently exposed areas. But with WD-40, you can easily prevent this damage before it even starts. WD-40 works by displacing moisture and creating a protective barrier over metal surfaces, preventing water from settling and triggering rust formation. This is especially important for areas like door hinges, undercarriages, battery terminals, nuts and bolts, and even engine components that are exposed to the elements. A quick spray on these vulnerable parts can stop rust from forming and even slow down existing corrosion. For best results, apply WD-40 after washing your car. ensuring all metal surfaces are dry before spraying. Wipe off any excess to avoid residue buildup, and repeat the process regularly, especially if you live in a coastal area with salty air or places with harsh winter conditions where road salt is common. Beyond just your car, WD-40 can also be used on tools, bike chains, and garage equipment to keep them rust-free and functioning smoothly. It's a simple yet powerful way to protect your vehicle and other metal items from long-term damage, saving you time and money on repairs. So, make WD-40 a part of your regular car maintenance routine and keep rust and corrosion at bay. 5. Stop annoying squeaks and keeps locks moving free. Nothing is more frustrating than a car door that squeaks every time you open it, or a stubborn lock that refuses to turn. Over time, hinges, locks, and other moving parts can accumulate dirt and lose lubrication, causing friction, squeaks, and even making them difficult to operate. That's where WD-40 comes in. A quick spray on door hinges, trunk latches, and even seatbelt mechanisms instantly eliminates squeaks and restores smooth movement. The formula penetrates deep into the joints, reducing friction and preventing further wear and tear. But it doesn't stop there. WD-40 is also an excellent lock lubricant. If your car door locks or ignition keyhole feels stiff, a small spray inside the key slot helps dissolve grime, ensuring your keys turn effortlessly. Unlike other lubricants, WD-40 also protects against moisture buildup, reducing the chances of locks freezing in cold weather. For best results, apply WD-40 sparingly, let it soak in for a few moments, and then move the part back and forth to distribute the lubricant evenly. Wipe off any excess to prevent dust accumulation. With regular use, WD-40 keeps your car's moving parts operating smoothly, eliminating those annoying squeaks and keeping the locks functioning like new. 6. Remove moisture from a flooded engine. A flooded engine can be a major headache, especially if moisture has seeped into critical components, preventing your car from starting. Whether it's due to heavy rain, deep puddles, or high humidity, water inside the engine can cause misfires, rough idling, or even complete failure to start. That's where WD-40 comes to the rescue. WD-40 is designed to displace water, meaning it pushes moisture out of metal parts and electrical connections, allowing your engine to function properly again. If your car won't start due to water exposure, pop the hood and locate the ignition system components, such as the spark plugs, distributor cap, and coil packs. Spray WD-40 directly onto these areas to remove trapped moisture, then wait a few minutes before attempting to start your car. The formula not only dries out wet engine parts, but also leaves a protective barrier to prevent future moisture buildup. This trick is especially useful in rainy or humid climates, where moisture-related engine troubles are more common. Regularly applying WD-40 to ignition components can even help prevent future flooding issues, keeping your car running smoothly no matter the weather. So next time your engine struggles after a downpour, don't panic. Grab a can of WD-40 and bring it back to life. 7. Protects battery terminals. Battery terminals are one of the most overlooked yet crucial components of your car's electrical system. Over time, exposure to moisture, dirt, and road salt can cause corrosion, leading to poor connections, difficulty starting your car, and even electrical failures. But with WD-40, you can easily protect your battery terminals and keep your car running smoothly. WD-40 works by creating a protective barrier that repels moisture and prevents rust or corrosion from forming on the terminals. To use it, first, ensure your engine is off and your battery is disconnected. Clean any existing corrosion with a wire brush or baking soda and water mixture, then dry the terminals thoroughly. Once dry, spray a light coat of WD-40 directly onto the terminals and clamps. This will help prevent oxidation and ensure a strong electrical connection, reducing the risk of starting issues. For best results, repeat this process every few months, especially before winter or rainy seasons when moisture exposure is at its peak. By regularly using WD-40, you can extend the life of your battery, improve your car's electrical performance, and avoid frustrating breakdowns caused by corroded terminals. 8. Temporarily restore headlight clarity. Foggy or yellowed headlights can make night driving dangerous by reducing visibility. But did you know WD-40 can temporarily restore their clarity? Over time, oxidation, dirt, and grime build up on the plastic surface of your headlights, making them appear dull and hazy. While professional restoration kits are available, WD-40 offers a quick and easy fix when you need an immediate improvement. To use WD-40 for headlight restoration, simply spray a generous amount onto the headlight lens and let it sit for a few seconds. Then, using a clean microfiber cloth, wipe in circular motions to remove oxidation and grime. The formula helps dissolve dirt while leaving a thin protective layer, improving visibility and giving your headlights a refreshed, clearer look. However, keep in mind that this is only a temporary solution. For long-lasting results, consider using a proper headlight restoration kit or polishing with fine sandpaper and UV protective sealant. But in a pinch, whether you're heading out on a road trip or facing poor night visibility, WD-40 is a handy trick to get your headlights shining bright again. 9. Clean and restore your number plate. Over time, your car's number plate can become dirty, faded, or covered in stubborn grime from road debris, rain, and mud. A dull or unreadable number plate isn't just an eyesore. It can also get you in trouble with the law. Luckily, WD-40 is an easy and effective way to clean and restore your number plate, bringing back its original shine in just minutes. To clean your number plate, simply spray WD-40 directly onto the surface and let it sit for a few seconds. The formula works to break down dirt, grease, and road grime, making it easier to wipe away. Use a clean microfiber cloth or a soft sponge to scrub the plate gently, then wipe it down with a dry cloth for a polished finish. WD-40 is also great for removing old adhesive residue from stickers or decals on your plate. Beyond cleaning, WD-40 leaves behind a protective layer that helps repel future dirt and moisture, keeping your number plate cleaner for longer. This quick trick is perfect for regular car maintenance, ensuring your plates stay legible, shiny, and road legal without the need for harsh chemicals or scrubbing. And there you have it, some of the most famous and incredible ways WD-40 can save you time, money, and frustration when it comes to car maintenance. From preventing rust and loosening stubborn bolts to keeping your wheels clean and even restoring foggy headlights, this little can is a must-have for every car owner. Whether you're dealing with everyday grime, stuck parts, or unexpected issues like a flooded engine, WD-40 provides quick and effective solutions. So next time your car needs a little extra care, grab a can and make your life easier. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more genius car hacks. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.